How was the day? Say first time with the team.
Yeah, really excited to play for Bangladesh League, and of course Tamim Bhai. When Tamim Bhai called me for this team, and I was really excited and looking forward. I know the Bangladeshi people, they love cricket and they love their superstars, and I hope I perform well here.
Next.
Shaheen, love to see you in Bangladesh, and you hold the record most of fast over wickets. I mean 46 wickets, and another left-arm fast bowler from India, Bhuvaneshwar Kumar, hold the record, and you are on the verge of breaking the record. And how does it feel and picking up fast over wicket?
Actually, I'm not trying to break the records and make a record. I'm just simply trying to hit my right areas early on in T20 cricket. You know, T20 cricket, wicket is too good for batting, so just mix up and use my variation. Yeah, also are good bowlers in the world, so just trying to hit my good areas.
বছর শেষের খুশি নগদে হবে বেশি নগদ পেমেন্টে নির্দিষ্ট ক্যাটাগরির কেনাকাটায় 300 টাকা পর্যন্ত ক্যাশব্যাক
Thank you.
Abid, Shaheen, your father-in-law will be mentoring the Chattogram. Will you be able to see the rivalry between you and Afridi of the field on the field?
Actually, is a good thing, but for me, it's a good thing he's not playing. So we're not like facing each other in the ground. So yeah, he's a mentor, and I hope the Bangladeshi youth and young cricketer will learn a lot from him.
And there is a report from the Pakistan media that you are not rested for test side, whether you are actually excluded from the...
Sorry for that. Can we just questioning for the Bangladesh League right now? Yeah.
Adif, Shaheen, how does it feel to be the biggest star of a tournament? When you come here, at the moment you're the biggest star in this tournament. How does it feel, and what responsibility does it bring with you?
To be honest, I'm not a star. There was a lot of Bangladeshi players there. They all star. Tamim playing. They all the national team playing here. For me and for you guys should be the own people will be the stars.
The vibe is that you are the stars. So
Yeah, but I will be the just a player for the team, and I will try to put my performance in the team and win for the game for the team.
And as far as fitness is concerned, you're totally fit for...
Alhamdulillah, I'm fit, and that's why I'm here.
You.
So Shaheen, you have got players like Tommy Iqbal, Nazar Hossain Shanto, and some of the other big names in the world cricket. What sort of environment are you thinking about in the dressing room, and do you think you will have a good relationships with them?
Of course, we played each other and against. So that was I know that the local players always is a good players, and they know the wickets as well. And I hope I learn a lot when I'm in future visit Bangladesh and I play for Pakistan. So when I come, and I hope I know the wickets and I'll play well.
A lot of Pakistani players play. How do you really rate BPL?
Yeah, so far I watch BPL many years, so it's really good franchise cricket, and I hope it's a lot for learn for us as well to play, and when in future when we come for Pakistan, representing Pakistan, and we hope we play good cricket here. And I know there was a lot of Pakistani to represent here, and I think I played first time, so I hope let's see how the cricket's going around. So yeah, then I can compare.
Shaheen, about this BPL, recently Bangladesh fast bowling unit doing fantastic in international cricket, where they done well in Pakistan also. They got success in Pakistan, they got success in West Indies. Any particular bowler impressed you most in recent time in Bangladesh?
That was a good bowling unit. Taskeen, I can say he's now the leading bowler for Bangladesh, and the young bowler Rana, he's bowled really well, and he had a pace, tall guy. So I think for Bangladesh future, there was many bowlers to come, and for them just for groom them and play for red ball cricket, because when you play red ball cricket, you can improve more.
Shaheen, what are the factors that made you consider to play in BPL? Is it Tamim Iqbal's call only?
Tamim Iqbal for me, yeah.
Ask you. Question, ask.
So Shaheen, my Chittagong team, they have your father-in-law Shahid Afridi as a mentor. So are you excited to play against Chittagong?
Yeah, this is very good.
We day before yesterday we played badminton each other. So yeah.
That is the good. Atif.
Can you tell us what kind of mindset you have when you bowl the first over? What mindset you have in both formats? I mean, both white ball and red ball. What kind of mindset do you carry when you bowl the first over?
Yeah, For me, is usually like, you know, in a batting, when the batsmen come, they try to attack on bowler to, you know, disturb the bowler. And as a bowler, when you take wicket early on, the whole batting unit will be disturbed because the middle order can't face new ball easily. So that was always a taking approach I have, to take a wicket on new balls. If some time is not, then I'll try to like use my variation. Might be that was effectful. So just a taking option always.
Particular length that you...
Last question.
Actually, my all wickets on Yorker, so yeah.
Okay,
thanks.
Shaheen, less than 48 hours before the tournament comments. I don't know if you know who is going to captain your team, audience. A lot of other teams still waiting by your captain, but it's still officially announced by the but still a lot of other teams didn't know who is going to captain their team. But is it ideal for a tournament that a lot of teams don't know their captain before 48 hours or 24 hours?
I just arrived last night 12:30, so I don't know who is the captain of other teams. Even I don't know the teams right now. I just know to play for my team, and Tamim is our captain.
Yes, guys.
Shaheen, you are playing for Fortune Borishal right now. So who happens to be your most favorite Bangladeshi player in Fortune Borishal?
They're all my favorites. They are my teammates.
Okay, Abid.
What sort of conversation you had with Tamim? Did he have to convince you, or the first time he said you got agreed?
Whenever Tamim called me, last time I was busy in an international schedule, so this time, yeah, of course, like for last 2-3 years I miss, and this year I had the time, and of course I was play good cricket here, so that's why.